Today we're here with Keith Henderson, President and CEO of Velocity Minerals. Thanks for joining us.
Oh, thanks, Duane. It's a pleasure to be here.
Can you tell us a little bit about your company as well as your track record?
The company is based in Bulgaria. We are a gold exploration company. What sets us apart a little bit from some of our competition in the region is that we're partnered with a Bulgarian mining company. That mining company is producing gold from the Chala mine, and they've been producing there for about 10 years. They also operate a processing plant, which is centrally located within an area that we're working in. We have exclusive access to that processing plant. That gives us a real competitive edge in the area. So we're working in Bulgaria really within an exploration and mining alliance with our Bulgarian partner, Gurupsu Mining. We have access to 7 option properties that we have an opportunity to earn an interest to, up to a level of 70%. And then in addition to that, we have an option to earn a 50% interest in the operating gold mine as well.
Can you elaborate on the recent news releases about the Rozino Gold Project?
Yeah, we've been drilling at Rozino for about 7 months now. We've drilled about 7,500 meters, and we're now in the middle of drilling an additional 6,000 meters. We're going to get ultimately to a PEA in Q3 this year, which will let us earn our 70% interest. But we wanted to let the market know that we've got some resources on the books. We wanted to give them an idea of what an interim resource looked like, and so we published that actually just yesterday. So we published 600,000 ounces, 630,000 ounces at 1.15 grams per ton gold, using a 0.5 cutoff grade. And when we lift that cutoff grade to 0.8, we end up with 440,000 ounces at 1.68 grams per ton, which is a really strong resource, and we're delighted with those results.
Yeah, that is really impressive. What differentiates your company from other players in this space?
Access to the processing plant is absolutely huge for us. The processing plant uses cyanide. It's a vat leaching process, and it's our Bulgarian partner are the only company in Bulgaria who've got a license to operate with cyanide. So that gives us a real edge. No other company can use this processing plant. Its central location is superb. It means that everything we're doing with all of these option properties, we can potentially feed ore into that processing plant, which is fantastic.
What are some upcoming catalysts that investors can look forward to?
Catalyst from here is getting to that PEA. We want to earn the 70% interest in Rozino, and yeah, that's going to be Q3, probably about September. Also, by about that time, we should have managed to drill or spend $1 million at the Chala operating mine, and that will get us to the point where we can exercise an option for 50% on that as well if we want to. So 2 big catalysts in the Q3 of this year.
What are some of your main objectives for 2018?
Well, if we get to those catalysts, and we are working on a couple of other option properties as well, like as we get into the end of 2018 and into 2019, we could have 4 projects that are operating. Moving forward, we could be already mining at Chala and having some revenue coming in, plus of course having drill results continuing from the other projects as well. So there'll be lots and lots of news coming on a consistent basis. In the last 7 months, we've probably had 2 news releases every month. That's going to accelerate quite a lot from there. And we're just going to be trying to discover ounces. The ounces that we've put out today, or yesterday rather, basically you're looking at a discovery cost of around $6.30 per ounce, which is extremely good value, and that includes our setup costs about 7 months ago. So as we move forward and as we keep drilling, that discovery cost should continue to go down, and hopefully we can get it below $5 per ounce.
Finally, for investors here at PDAC, as well as those watching at home, why invest in Velocity today?
Well, we're a brand new company, and we're delivering drill results. Not all companies deliver results at the rate that we have. To get to an interim resource on a brand new project in 7 months is truly incredible. To get to a PEA, which will basically be within 1 year of starting, also extremely quick. So we're spending dollars efficiently, we're spending them in the ground, and we're delivering results. And I think that sets us apart somewhat from some of the rest of the companies.
Thanks so much for joining us today, Keith.
Thanks very much indeed. Cheers.